How to fit a large Excel table into a Word document. So if you want to fit a large Excel table into a Word document, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your Excel. And once you're here on the Excel, you need to just simply go and copy the table. After copying, you can go with your Word, and here you can paste that. Now, after pasting, if it is too long, like if it is going out of the box, then what you need to do is just simply click on anywhere on the table, and you need to go with the table layout, which is on the top. And from here, you need to go with autofill and go with autofill contents. And after that, it will adjust the table and you'll be able to fit that table. But if that doesn't work for you, then what you can do is you can just simply go with a new page and you can change the page layout. So you can just simply go with insert a page, and after inserting a blank page, the table will be on the blank page, right? So once you're on the page, now you need to go with the the page. You need to go with layout. Under layout, you need to go with the page setup option. Under page setup, you can go with landscape and then go with OK, and the page will be set as a landscape, and you'll be able to adjust your table. But if it has been applied to the whole document, then what you need to do is just simply select the text. You can only select the text, and after selecting the text, you can go with the layout and go with the page setup. And from here, you need to go with landscape, and here you need to go with the drop down, and you need to go with selected sections. After that, go with OK, and that's it. That's how you can fit a large Excel table into a Word document. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.